What's up, YouTube family? Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to another video from me, Michael Carey, the owner of the Christmas Light Academy. Don't forget, like, subscribe before we get started. All right, in this video, I want to tell you the top 5 reasons why a Christmas Light business owner should invest into the Christmas Light Academy. All right, so number 1 is you're gonna be able to train new Christmas light installers way faster. Inside of the Christmas Light Academy, most of our training programs for installers are gonna range about 3 to 4 hours. You saving time every single employee, every single season. That 4 hours is gonna lay the foundation perfectly for them to know everything about what we do, materials, decoration types, what to decorate, how to decorate, troubleshooting, safety, I mean, you name it, it's all in there. That is the number 1 thing. All right, reason number 2 a business owner should invest in the Christmas Light Academy. It creates consistency across your team, especially if you're investing in the CLA Custom option, which is really tailored to your SOPs and the way that you operate in your business. That is reason number 2, create consistency across your team. All right, reason number 3, okay, it's gonna reduce mistakes. Sending guys out to a job and, for example, they don't know about scratching up gutters, right? They're on $1 million home, you send them out there, it's November, stuff is going crazy. You're sending new guys out to a big job and they're throwing ladders up on these freaking really nice gutters, scratching them all to hell. That could have been avoided if they went through the training program and just learned about that one little thing. And that's just one little example. There's so many other examples that could just save from costly mistakes. So that's reason number 3. Let's jump into the next one. Number 4, save the business owner time. This one is huge because you got to think about it in the mindset of like, okay, we're in October, we got a couple $100K on the books, and we're going into November, and we're trying to boom and double up what we did last year, right? We don't have time. What is time? Time that doesn't even exist. We are crunched on time in November. And this is when we're manning up the most. You know, we're bringing on maybe 10, 15 seasonal guys for the month of November just to make sure we get all these jobs done. Last thing you want to do is be throwing these guys to the fire with like no onboarding, no like foundational experience, because the business owner, you, the person I'm talking to, does not have the time in November to sit there and explain plugs and wire and what we do and all this stuff. There's just no way, not in November. The last thing, number 5, is you're gonna build a more professional business. When you have a training program, processes in place, this is really how businesses grow. You know, look at Walmart, McDonald's, all these companies and places have employee training programs in place so that way everything's systemized. People are doing the same thing whether they're in Texas or Florida or wherever they're at. It's creating consistency across their brand. So maybe you're somebody who's like looking to franchise. Also, by the way, if you are a franchise owner and you're seeing this, we do have custom options for your entire franchise. So book a call with me down below. We'll jump into that, talk more about it. But for the regular guys like me and you who are just a single location, this is still super important because let's say you ever wanted to sell your business, you need your processes documented, right? A new business owner doesn't want to just buy your Christmas light business. They want to know, does it operate like a machine? Can this business operate without you even being there? And then the last thing that I gotta say is just a bonus, right? A bonus, just another reason why you, the Christmas light business owner, should invest into the Christmas Light Academy, okay? It is, you can train employees anywhere, anytime, on a mobile app, English and Spanish. I mean, that's just gems on gems on gems. Like, this system is in place for you. It's not about me. It's not about the Christmas Light Academy. This is all about you and your business, your trainings, getting your guys, helping your business grow and scale and make more money, all by just systemizing your installer and all of your employee onboarding. All of that said, thank you guys for watching. Let's go crush this Christmas light season. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Drop a comment, and if you really want to go to the next level and systemize your onboarding, don't forget, book a call with me below. Let's chat it up. Let's talk Christmas lights. I'm just a guy just like you, and I've just built this to really help other Christmas light business owners. So guys, Michael Carey, I appreciate you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.